Well, Hurricane Beryl is just days away from hitting the Texas coast, and state officials are gearing up for any impacts. Dallas, Rockwall, Collin counties are now included in the state's Hurricane Beryl disaster declaration. It included more than 120 counties from across the state that are in the path of the storm. Now crews are preparing for their response once the storm passes. Fox's Jade Fleury reports from the Houston area.
County officials say that there's no evacuation order in place for inland areas. However, they are urging residents to consider that voluntary evacuation or be prepared to shelter for several days. They say the floodwaters from the storm could make it impossible to leave later on.
Prepare, don't panic.
Tropical Storm Beryl weakening after moving across the Yucatan Peninsula and the Caribbean. In Matagorda County, property owners are now preparing for the storm's impact as it approaches the Texas coast.
We did some hurricane preparations earlier this year, new tie downs and straps.
Longtime Matagorda vacation homeowners Randy and Adrian said they've seen their share of storms and aren't taking any chances with Tropical Storm Beryl. They spent their Saturday securing their property, despite their home weathering past storms.
We're as ready as we can get, except we just got to board up the windows. Shutting off all the power, shutting off the well.
Matagorda County issuing a voluntary evacuation order urging residents in coastal areas to seek higher ground.
We're giving you the opportunity to leave early or be prepared to be where you are for 3 or 4 days at a time.
While officials expect the storm to pass relatively quickly, there are still potential dangers to be aware of.
It's rain, a little wind, but mostly it's the high tides, the wave actions on top of high tides tend to come over those coastal roads.
So right now, what we want everyone to be prepared for a flooding event. Make sure that if you're going to be stuck at home, you can take care of yourself and your children and your pets.
Meanwhile, coastal residents are pressing on with their storm preparations.
Hopefully we'll still be standing.
Jade Fleury, Fox News.